Good morning, Kanishka. Good morning. And before that, Vishnu was present. He is present. Good morning to everyone. Fastly come and join. Let's check whether audio, video, everything is good or not. All right. Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all good. And as early as possible, join everyone. And we have still 4 minutes. After the 4 minutes, we can, sorry, 2 minutes is there. After 2 minutes, we have to start our class. Join the class fastly and check the clarity, audio, and video. Okay, Jayant said, good morning, sir. Yes, good morning, Jayant. All right. Meanwhile, we'll go for revision. Then we will start our class. So, what is revision means? What we all discussed in the last class, we'll recapture first. Then we'll pray. Then we'll start today's lecture. Okay. All right. Good morning. Yes, Kush Kamal. Good morning. So, what we learned probability means a measure of uncertain phenomena is called as a probability, and we discussed what is classical theory of probability, which is in your 10th grade. You all learned that probability of an event is ratio of favorable outcomes to the total number of equal likely outcomes is called as what we'll say. It is classical theory of probability. And statistical approach of probability means in the ninth class you all observed that is based on the observations and the collected data. If we are estimated anything, then that is called as, we can say as what? It is statistical approach of probability. And both are having serious issues while solving the problems. So because of that reason, we are going to the another type of approach, that is axiomatic approach of probability. That is by using approach of probability. And who was found this means this is observed by A.N. Kolmogorov, and Kolmogorov was a Russian mathematician. In 1933, he was wrote one book on foundation of probability. So with that, this axiomatic approach of probability is came into the existence. Till that we discussed, and then 16.1 completely we solved, and then now we are going to solve our 16.2 problems along with these concepts. What are the first concept is mutually exclusive events, second is mutually exhaustive events, third one it is A or B, or A and B or not A. These all we are going to discuss. Anyhow, first kindly choice clarity is good or not. Everything check and inform to me. So signal strength also check whether the signal strength is good or not. Everyone. So some students are writing it is everything is good. Okay, okay, okay. All good, sir. Hishita said all good, sir. He said all clear. Garima said everything is good. Very good. All right, if everything is good, then we'll start our class. Close your eyes. All right, let us close our eyes. We'll pray first. God, kindly provide your knowledge and wisdom to solve our mathematics and our daily life. Good, sir. Very good. If everything is good, now we'll discuss this. What is mutually exclusive events? Let's say A and B. Two events I'll take A and B, or A comma B. If two events want to be Mutually exclusive means their intersection, that is A intersection B should be pi. Pi means no common elements are the both sets are disjoint sets, then that is called as mutually exclusive events. So which events called as mutually exclusive? So the events not having common elements, that is the first point. Or if you don't know that, if both sets are disjoint, then that sets we can call it as mutually exclusive events. So example, I'm able to, okay, let me say example for you that, so an event getting an odd number when you roll a dice. So getting an odd number means getting odd number. Getting odd number means you will get as 1, 3, 5. Getting even number means getting even number is equal to, will write as 2, 4, 6. Now check here, for these both, is there any intersection? There is no intersection. Observe carefully now. When you want to check intersection, meaning is what? Common elements. Is there any common elements? There is no common elements here. 135 is there, here 246 is there, both are not having any common elements. Then we'll say that, let's say this event as A, this event as B, then A intersection B is equal to pi, so that A and B are mutually exclusive events. So A and B are mutually exclusive events when there is no common element. Okay, I hope everyone understood this. All right. So now Kushi said, good. Okay, okay. So now Himanshi said, good morning, sir. Okay, now she came. Okay, Ashwardhan said, good, very good. So see, if you are joined everyone, then why it was showing only that 5? Is that still any problem you are facing? Kindly inform to me. If everything is good, then coming and leaving, why? So let's check once and inform to me what was the problem. Garima saying good only, then what is problem happening here? Just kindly refresh it whenever you are not getting properly. Kindly refresh it, able to get properly. Okay. So that is correctly is there. It also said yes, sir. Garima also said yes, sir. So if everything is good, then what was the problem facing? No idea. Okay, no problem. So if A intersection B is equal to pi, we can say mutually exclusive events. Okay, if A intersection B is equal to pi, then that called as mutually exclusive events. Then mu is equal to S. S is nothing but what do you know? Sample space. So if A union B is equal to S is happened, then that is called as mutually exhaustive events. And these all already you learned in your A and B is there, then we'll write A intersection B. Not A is nothing but A is nothing but, here sample space is your universal set. So S minus A. Just remember this when we are solving number 16.2. I hope everyone understood what I said, that mutually exclusive events and all you all understood, I think. So let's move on to the exercise number 16.2. Listen, if we are able to finish this exercise within 20 minutes means, so then I will leave you all, okay, to write your notes. So let me go for now exercise number 16.2. Now in that first question, a die is rolled. A die is rolled. Event E is equal to die 4. Die shows 4 means 4 only. We don't want to write anything. So then event F is equal to die shows even number. Even number means 2, 4, 6. Now, E and F are mutually exclusive or not. So they said in the question is that once again understand first question. They said a die is rolled, then event E is 4 will appear on the top face of your die, and F is only even numbers will appear. Even numbers will appear means 2, 4, 6. But event E is only 4 will appear on the face of that. Okay. Hishita, if it is loading, kindly just refresh it so that you are able to get again. Okay. So E is equal to 4 and F is equal to 2, 4, 6. So now what we'll write here? So here E is 4, F is 2, 4, 6. So now E intersection F check. Is there any common element? Yes, 4 is a common element. So you write as 4. Now, according to our events, E and F are mutually exclusive when it is equal to pi. But it is not equal to pi. Therefore, E and F are not mutually exclusive events. Not mutually exclusive events. I hope this everyone understood. Anyone having still doubt in this? Once again, listen carefully. What is mean by mutually exclusive means if two events are given, the two events intersection should be, it is null set. If null set is there, then we can say that it is a mutually exclusive. Otherwise, it is not mutually exclusive. Okay. I hope you all understood this first question. If you are understood, just keep the term, every keep the term symbol so that I can understand. So let's move on to the next now. That is second question. So if you have your textbook, kindly check. Very good. So Kush Kamal said yes, sir. Understood. Ishta said understood. Garima said understood. Heath said yes, sir. And Kush, where is Himanshi Soni? Just present my what? If you are there, you also just keep that comment you are understood. So now next one, second one. A die is thrown. Describe the following events. Die is thrown means what is sample space. So let me write here. A die is thrown. What is sample space? You just type in that what is sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here they said only a die. A die means single die. So we'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our sample space. Next. So here now first event number 1 A is a number less than 7. A number less than 7 means what you are going to get? Capital A is equal to less than 7 means all these numbers will come. So write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are less than 7 only. So A event is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And second one now. So B such that a number greater than a number greater than 7. Now check carefully in this sample space anywhere greater than 7 possible. So it is not at all possible to get greater than 7. Only will get 1 to 6 numbers, so that it is impossible event. That indicates that how many elements are there in this event? 0. 0 is nothing but null set. So now B is equal to pi. So you can use this symbol or you can use this. Any one symbol only you can use. Either you use this or this. Okay, so now B is here, a number greater than 7, they said. Greater than 7, it is not possible, so that we are writing here null set. Okay, so now third one next. See, a multiple of 3, a multiple of 3. C is equal to, in this sample space, multiple are there, 3 and 6. 3 table you will get 3 and 6 only, so that 3 comma 6 is the elements of set C. Okay, I hope up to here everyone understood. Let's move on to the next. Very good. Ishita giving answers, Keith giving answers, and Push answers. So give clap to them. They are doing good job. Let's move on to the next now. So next one here, it is a D they given a number less than 4, number less than 4, less than 4. So now we'll write here D is equal to number less than 4. Less than means before of 4. What are those? 1, 2, 3. So now we'll write here 1, 2, 3. Less than 4 completed. Next D after E. E is an even number greater than 4. An even number greater than 4. Let me rub this part. An even number greater than 4. Greater than 4 equal to 5 comma 6. Very good. Then after that, so who is writing with me? Okay, 6 written, one student, and F also written. Okay, see here, an even number greater than 4, 5 and 6 is correct or not? Fastly tell to me. It is correct. Here they said an even number greater than 4. 5 comma 6, can I write? So I think one student also not given that answer. Okay, 5 comma 6 is not answered. The reason behind here it is even number. So now odd number remove, only write 6. So E is equal to 6 is your correct answer. Then F is given here a number not less than not less than 3. Not less than 3 means, so it is 3 and greater than 3. So now you can write F is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Not less than 3 means it comes 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now your comments I'm getting no sir, no sir, no sir. Only 6. Very good. So actually I was written, you should know that which is odd number, which is even number. So to ask you all I was written, but nobody answered. Just you are typing only your answers. Okay, that's good. Anyhow, F is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Garima also written now. Okay, so after this, we need to solve what? Also find A union B. A is what is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And union, what is B? B is null set. So what is your answer here? Your answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is your A and B. Fastly give your answers. Next one it is A intersection B. Who is going to tell? A intersection B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intersection null set. What is answer? Okay, still Hishita also written only A union B. Now I need A intersection B. What is my A intersection B? Very good. Null set is correct answer. Hishita given first answer. Now give clap to her. So now here it is answer is null set. So now after A intersection B, now next one given as B union C. B union C. Now B is here, null set, union, C is here 3 comma 6. So answer 3 comma 6. Whoever written this answer on the comment box, that is correct answer. Whoever written first correct answer, for them everyone give claps and appreciate your friends. So now next, E intersection F. E is here 6, intersection F is here 3 4 5. Right, only 6. Clear? So after that, D intersection E. Now D intersection E. D is nothing but 1, 2, 3. There is no common element, so that null set. Next one, it is A minus C. A is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus C is nothing but 3 comma 6. 3 cancel, 6 cancel. Whichever left in the A set, those all you have to write. What are left here? 1, 2, 4, 5. That your A minus C. So nothing but here, what is D? 1, 2, 3 minus, what is E? E is nothing but 6. So there is no common element, means whatever is there in the set of D, all the elements you have to write. So now 1, 2, 3 is your answer. So D minus E is 1, 2, 3. Whoever writing correct answer, for them give claps and then appreciate your friends. So D minus E is done. Then E intersection F dash and F dash. So where can I solve? Okay, I'll rub here and I'll solve. So now I'm going to solve F dash. So A I will rub. So next one is F dash. F dash is equal to S minus F. So sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus, what is your F? F is here 3, 4, 5, 6. So now 3, 4, 5, 6. So then you get answer as 1 comma 2. Next, E intersection F dash. E is what is here? 6 is there. So write 6. Intersection F dash is 1 comma 2. So there is no element. So that pi is your answer. So everyone written your answers? All right. So Garima is F dash 1 comma 2. Very good. Vishnu written 1 comma 2. And Garima written that step F dash is equal to S minus F. Yes, you all right. Next one. Okay, less students are there. Where is Jayant? Jayant beginning came just for present purpose and went, I think. Where is Jainab? Anyhow, Hishita is written F is equal to 1 comma 2. Yes, you are right. And Garima written E intersection F dash is equal to 6 intersection 1 comma 2, and it is pi. Hishita written, okay, you are writing one by one, 6 written first. Okay, all right, that's all about it. Now, that is about your problem number 2, 6 and 7. Okay. Let's see which is possible to give as a homework. I'll give maybe 5 and 7 I may give as a homework for you all, and we'll solve third, fourth, and then sixth. So 3 problems, if we are finished, we will leave. Okay. So I'm going to leave you all. Let's move on to the next. If you all understood, keep thumb symbol so that we'll go for next. Where is this Giant again went? So I don't want to go this side little bit, right? All right. So where is Radhika today? Radhika, you are present. If you are present, just comment there, present, sir. Just in the beginning you are present, then later I was not finding. Radhika is not present, I think, today. Komal Preet is present. If Komalpreet is present, inform. Okay, so Hishita said we are understood. What about remaining? Himanshi, Soni, Basant said understood. Then what about remaining? Kushi said understood. Garima said understood. Heath where? Kush Kamal, your answer also I did not get. Vishnu said yes. And he said yes, sir. Okay. Kush Kamal one also I did not get now. Okay, let's move on to this next one. That is third question. So your third question, an experiment involves rolling a pair of dice. Previously dice, now pair of dice. That means two dice you took and then at a time you are rolling. Then two dice are thrown, then what is your outcomes? So let me write here now. A pair of dice rolled. So now, what are the outcomes? Sample space S is 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. So similarly, remaining you all type in the comment section so that I can understand. 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. And next 3 1, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, and then 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 4 6. After that 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. And then 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. That's it. So these many outcomes are possible. This is our sample space S. Okay. So now what we need to do? So sample space we found. After the sample space, we have to check. First one, it is the given as A is the sum is greater than 8. So set A they said as sum is greater than 8. So sum should be greater than 8. Such kind of numbers, whatever is there, that pair you tell to me. So 1 plus 1, 2, not. Then 1 plus 2, 3, and 8 I want. Here 1 plus 4, 5, 1 plus 5, 6, 1 plus 6, 7. So in this row, 1 also not there. Next one, 2 1 3, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 3 5, 2 plus 4 6, 2 plus 5 7, 2 plus 6 8. But here they said greater than 8, so that this also not possible. Then from this onwards I think it is possible. So now here 3 4 7, sorry, 3 plus 4 7, 3 plus 5 8. But 8 also we don't want to consider, greater than 8 I want. 3 comma 6, 3 plus 6 is nothing but 9. So here it is possible. So now first, this is your greater than 8 number. And similarly you can check here where is greater than 8. So now this 4 plus 4 comma 5 possible. Next 5 comma greater than, next one 5 comma 6. Then last and final now 6 comma 3, it is 9. After that 6 comma 4. After that 6 comma 5. After that 6 comma 6. Now check whichever pairs I was, that sum of the two numbers is you are getting greater than 9 or not. So everyone check carefully here. Whatever here I was written the pairs, that each pair sum is equal to is greater than 9 or not, greater than 8 or not. So now 3 plus 6 9 greater than 8, 4 plus 5 9 greater than 8, 4 plus 6 10 greater than 8, 5 plus 4 9 greater than 8, 5 plus 5 10 that is greater than 8, 5 plus 6 is 11 that is also greater than 8. Likewise we are written how many number of elements we got? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 elements you are going to get. These if you get, it is correct answer. Okay, there are many students written, Hista written, Vishnu written, Garima written. So give claps to them or give thumbs up for them. Let's move on to the next. So A we are written. Next we need to go for B. So next one is B. So B is given as two occurs, two occurs on either die. Either die. So what is meaning of this? It is two need to be either in this side or this side, but two numbers should be in that. So let's see now what are the possible outcomes. Let's write B is equal to, is there anywhere two? Yes, completely 2 is there. So you can write everything, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, and then 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. Now in this line anywhere 2 is there? Yes, 3 comma 2. So write that 3 comma 2. Next 4 comma 2. Next 5 comma 2. Next 6 comma 2. So now how many elements it is? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11 you are going to get. So you need to check two occurs on either die means either maybe this side or that side, anywhere 1 2 required. So even two twos are there also, no problem in that. So we return that. B also finished. So next one C, that is the sum is at least 7, sum is at least 7 and a multiple of a multiple of 3. Sum is at least 7 means minimum 7, maximum will be any number. So here multiple of 3 you required. I'll write the answer, you just check whether is correctly you are getting or not. Okay, so now let me write here C. 3 comma 6 you can check, and the one it is 6 comma 3, last and final 6 comma 6. These are the elements possible. Once you can check carefully, the sum should be at least 7 and multiple of 3 required. Now 3 plus 6 how much? 9. It is a 9 is a multiple of 3. Let's move on to next. 4 plus 5 is nothing but 9. Again 9 is a multiple of 3. Next 5 plus 4 is nothing but 9. Again it is multiple of 3. Now 6 plus 3 is nothing but 9. Again it is multiple of 3. Now 6 plus 6 is nothing but 12. It is also multiple of 3. So at least means minimum is 7. Maximum will be any number. So and multiple of 3, so whichever, when you add these numbers you have to get them A B C, and still any other they were given? Yes, only 3. A set, B set, C set, we already found it. And then next what we need to do, which pair of these are mutually exclusive? Which pair of these are mutually exclusive? What is mutually exclusive? I said mutually exclusive is nothing but the intersection of any two events is null set, then it is called as a mutually exclusive. Let's see here now in this. First one you can check in that as A intersection B and B intersection C. So A intersection B, B intersection C, you can check. So A intersection B means this A and B you can check, you'll get a null set. And B and C you can check, again you get null set. But A and C if you check, you will get some elements. So from this we'll say that A and B are mutually exclusive and B and C are mutually A and B, comma B and C are mutually exclusive exclusive events, mutually exclusive events. I hope everyone understood this. Anyone still having doubt, ask me now. Okay, Heath written A intersection B is null set, B intersection C is null set. Yes, you done correct job. So A and B, B and C is both are, we can say, mutually. Okay, so that is about your third problem. And now fourth, and then remaining I'll try to give as a homework because we have 7 problems in this. All are same kind problems only. So let me finish this and we will close our session. So last and final problem for today. Okay. Fourth question is last and final problem. So let me rub this side. So I'm going to solve the fourth question. And this is our last and final problem for today. So what is fourth? 3 coins are tossed once. 3 coins are tossed means what are the outcomes? Sample space S is equal to, you will get as H, 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 and then H, H, T, then H, T, H, T, T, and then T, 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 H, and T, 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 H, T, H, H, and at last you write H, T, HTH. Let's check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 outcomes you are going to get. That is your sample space. Okay. So they said that set A is given as 3 heads show. 3 heads show is nothing but A is equal to 3 heads where only one, that is H, H, H. Completed first event. Capital B is equal to, they said here it is, denote an event, 2 heads and 1 tail show. 2 heads and 1 tail. 2 heads we want. So 2 heads, 1 tail means what are the possibilities are there? So all possibilities you have to write. 2 heads, 1 tail. So H, H, T. Again anywhere 2 heads, 1 tail. So here 2 heads, 1 tail. So H, T, H. And any other place 2 heads, 1 tail, here T. So 3 elements you are going to get for that. So after that, C they given as, they said only denotes 3 tails. 3 tails they said, anywhere 3 tails is there? Yes, here T, T, T is there. So C is T, T, T. And next D. So D is what is given in this. So D is given as, a head shows on the first coin. First coin place head will be. Remaining whatever it is we don't want. First coin place head, here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places first coin as head. So now write that on H, 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 comma, H, H, comma, and the one H, T, H. So now A, B, C, D we found. then what I need to find from this? Mutually exclusive simple compound. What is mutually exclusive? Elements are two events if you take. There is no common elements, that is mutually exclusive, and simple event means at least only one single element is there, then that is called as, or single sample space element is there, or single sample space point is there, or sample point is there, then that is called as simple event. More than one single sample point is there, then that is called as compound. Let's check in this place. This is your simple event, this also simple event. So now A and C are simple events. So next, I think it is second one, and third one is, you can write B and D are, B and D are compound events. Compound events, more than one sample point. Here more than one sample point is there in these both, because of that reason B and D are compound events. So now we are going to write at last which are mutually exclusive events. When you check these all, you are able to find that A intersection B is equal to pi, and you are able to find that A intersection C is equal to pi, and B intersection C is equal to pi, C intersection D is equal to pi. So that means A and B are mutually exclusive, A and C are mutually exclusive, B and C are mutually exclusive, C and D are mutually exclusive. If you want one check, A and B, there is no triple H, so that null set. And then A and C, it is again null set. And then B and C, again you can check here, B intersection C check, so B here, this is C. Both check, you get null set. And C and D also check, again null set. So now A and B, A and C, B and C, C and D are mutually exclusive events. So that's all about for today. I hope you all understood the questions. Now let's try yourself 5, 6, 7. And if you are unable to get the answers, tomorrow we are going to discuss. Okay? All right. May God bless you all. Time is up already.